Kushi Bhasa, student associate of Vidhimitra Legal Aid Cell, Dharmashastra National Law University, Jabalpur. Today, we are going to talk about the legal status of prostitution in India. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, prostitution अपने ही आप में एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसके साथ बहुत सारे ऑर्थोडॉक्स बिलीव्स और मीनिंग्स और सोशल स्टिग्मास अटैच्ड हैं. And our Indian society is very famous for slow social reforms, slow decision makings and judgments. There are 8 lakh workers in official records registered as a sex workers. There are in total 40 lakhs workers who are engaged in this industry. Before diving deep into this topic, first of all, we have to understand the literal meaning of prostitution. It is the practice of engaging with somebody for payment. But in my opinion, हमें उन्हें prostitute नहीं बोलना चाहिए. We have to call them sex workers. After all, they are working. It is their job, it is their occupation, and they are doing just because they also want to earn bread and butter like us. जैसे हम अब कमाते हैं खाने के लिए, वैसे वो भी कमा रहे हैं खाने के लिए. It's better to call them workers instead of calling them prostitute and any other bad word. Prostitution ये कोई अभी आया हुआ काम नहीं है, ये कोई अभी आया हुआ शब्द नहीं है. Prostitution is as old as human civilization. In ancient times, Vaishya's women were considered to be highly reputed. They have their own dignity. Also, they are very well versed in many art forms. But as the time passes, their reputation, dignity has come to a decline, and the work they used to perform in the ancient time considered as an immoral practice in the contemporary world. सिर्फ यही नहीं, even अगर कोई सेक्स वर्कर 2000 वार्ड्स ऑफ पब्लिक प्लेसेस में अपना बिजनेस चला रहा है, अपनी ऑक्यूपेशन को फॉलो कर रहा है, then it's a law that he or she should be arrested, as it is considered as an immoral activity which is unlawful. All in all, there are many instances that sex workers has been arrested, harassed, and booked for various charges of indecency by the police and has to undergo very brutal treatment by the officers. It's a high time to realize that उन्हें भी एक equal opportunity की ज़रूरत है. हमें उन्हें भी एक बराबरी का दर्जा सोसाइटी में दिलवाने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. आखिर वो भी तो हम में से ही एक है. Coming to the right of the sex workers, recently National Human Rights Commission ने गवर्नमेंट से ये मांग की है कि जो सेक्स वर्कर्स हैं उनको वुमेन एट वर्क का दर्जा दिया जाए. They should be considered as a worker in informal sectors as they had a very long-lasting impact in this pandemic on their lives. COVID-19 ने उनकी जिंदगी को बहुत तरीके से इम्पैक्ट किया. So, NHRC has asked the government to provide them with necessary sustenance of life. Large number of women and girls इस बिजनेस में फोर्स की जाती है, जबरदस्ती उन्हें इस बिजनेस में लाया जाता है. But if we recognize or if we consider this profession as a legal profession, if we consider prostitution as a legal business, then they can also be considered as a working woman. They can be recognized as the workers. And also जो गवर्नमेंट है उसे जो ब्रॉथल्स होते हैं उसे रेगुलेशन में लाना चाहिए, उसे रेगुलेट करना चाहिए. As we all know, right to life and right to possess any profession and to do any profession or trade is a fundamental right. The main duty of the government is to protect the sex workers from the exploitation. So what it can do, like licensing the brothels, they can provide license to a particular person, woman, and also for the safety of sex workers, introduce a bill keeping in mind their interest and the occupation of the sex worker. And for your knowledge, let me tell you कि ये इशू कई बार कोर्ट्स में लाया गया है अलग अलग लोगों के थ्रू, बट हर बार इसे एक मॉरल ethics और beliefs के अंदर लाकर इसे हमेशा decline कर दिया जाता है. We consider it as an immoral thing to discuss, to debate about it, to talk about it. Why so? Being a citizen, it is our responsibility to protect the rights of the every person, and especially the marginalized people, the sex workers who are providing the services. Every worker is a worker. Everyone is pursuing his profession according to his needs or sustenance and his beliefs. So we are nobody to judge anybody according to their profession, the life they live, and many more things. And it is a high time to raise this issue with various platforms and bring this issue to the notice of everyone and telling them the importance of this point, telling them the importance of sex workers, telling the rights of the sex workers to everyone. Even many sex workers are not aware of their rights, their profession. So it is our responsibility to convey their rights to them. Thank you for watching, and I, on behalf of my team, will really appreciate if you talk about this issue at various platforms with neighbors, with your peoples and localities, and many others. Thank you for being with us till now. You can also share your views in the comment section below, or you can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook profile. Thank you.